Presenting our portable battery-powered Patmark and Patmark-Mini pin marking solutions. The Patmark offers a convenient marking window of 33 mm by 15 mm and is ideal for a variety of industrial marking solutions as well as the smaller job shop applications. With the optional carrying case, it makes transporting around the shop and job sites safe and simple. For the smaller marking applications, our PatmarkMini offers a 15 mm by 15 mm marking window, which makes it the true digital punch, providing a safe, hammer-free experience. The PatmarkMini includes a carrying case perfect for storage or mobile applications. Both the Patmark and PatmarkMini have a battery life of 4 to 5 hours of continuous marking time per full charge. If your battery runs out during the job, just connect the included AC adapter and continue marking. Program your Patmark unit wirelessly with a simple direct Wi-Fi connection or mini USB cable. Typical marking applications include IDing any metal surface up to 62 Rockwell, plastic and wood materials in the following industries. For simple and mobile marking applications, use our free iOS or Android app. Also included with every unit is our Windows-based software that gives you the option to mark 2D barcodes, sequential serialization, logos, and many other functions. Contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful training videos.